Welcome back to the Skate a Day Challenge, besties. We are on day 21. We're getting close to day 30. So by the end of this challenge, you will have all of the basics, all of the fundamentals, and tips and tricks, and a little bit of bonus tips too. Just as a quick recap, we've gone over proper stance, we've gone over safety, we've gone over falling, we've gone over stopping, we've gone over 1-foot balance, we've gone over how to go forwards and backwards, and how to toe spin. We've also gone over some heel-toe balance. So you can guess what we're about to do now. Yep, we're gonna heel-toe spin it. So just like with the toe spin, same concept applies. You're gonna have one foot slightly in front of the other. My dominant side is to my right, which is the opposite of most people. However, I will show you both. So to turn to my right, I'm going to need to put my left foot a little bit forward. And just like with the toe spins, we're gonna make sure our knees are nice and soft, and we're gonna bend and rotate in the opposite direction, and then we're going to pick up at the same time. We're going to pick up the toe on the leading foot and the heel on the back foot. So your legs will look like this and your body will look like this. And don't worry, I'm going to show you from all angles so that you can see how to execute this yourself. We're going to make sure our knees are nice and soft. So we're going to go a 90-degree turn, which is wherever your shoulder is facing. Okay, so I'm going to go 90 degrees to my right. Pick it up and put it down. Again. Try to keep your upper body as still as you can. Once you get comfortable or bored with that, then you'll want to try to go a half turn. So a half turn is going to be directly behind you. Okay, again, same concept. We're going to wind it up, we're going to pick it up and stop. We're going to wind up, pick it up, and stop. And if you notice while I'm doing this move, I like to actually exaggerate sometimes to show you the movement so you can understand where your weight shift is going to be. But as I actually execute it, my feet aren't that far from the ground. It's a security method for me. I love having my feet on the ground as much as I talk about 1-foot balance. I'm a little bit of a hypocrite, but in order to roller skate, we have to have that 1-foot balance. However, this is going to be a 2-foot spin, so we still will have both of our feet partially on the ground. And if you have just like a credit card height off the ground, it'll still work beautifully. So just play around with that and see how you feel. And once you execute and you feel comfortable with doing the half turns, we're going to try to do one full rotation all the way around. So make sure again that you've got nice bouncy knees. You're upright up here and you're going to keep it real tight. There you go. Now don't make fun of me. I'm going to try it on my weak side. It's not the prettiest looking, but however, it's exactly how we all start. I want you to know I am a beginner just like you, and I suck at a lot of these moves myself, which is why I want to share them with you. They are so possible, and if I can do it, you can do it. Same concept. Leading foot is going to be in front. This time it's going to be my right foot in front so that I can turn left. Can you notice I'm a little shaky? I'm a little nervous. Okay, see? I did it. And if I can do it, you can do it too. So I want you to make sure that you practice, practice, practice. As always, I always tell you that if you're nervous about falling, practice falling. There's a video in this playlist for that too. And if you're loving these tutorials, if you're loving this challenge, if you're loving any of the videos I've posted to help my besties get comfortable on their roller skates, give me some love, share it with another skate bestie, or just save it for yourself. Either way, I would love to hear about your progress, so let me know how your journey is going. See you on the skate floor, bestie!